So here is my unboxing and my first look on the JYS Wired. Yes, I'm going to use as a wired this one. This is a wire you can use with the Nintendo Switch dock or you can use with the handle. I mean you can use using an OTG cable. So here's my JYS Switch Wired Controller unboxing. Jump to the unboxing table. So here it is, the JYC Wired Controller for Nintendo Switch. Let me show you from the back, from the side, and then let's take it out. Okay. What is this? This is just a manual. Okay. This is a manual how you can connect. Okay, how to set up the wire controller. When you insert the wire into console, you can't use a maybe switch wire communication is a please allow the following step. Pro wire communication. Okay. Okay. Okay, I need to do the pro wire communication. Let me take it out. First I'm going to try with my Nintendo Switch in OTG mode. Let's see do it work or not. Here's my OTG cable as you can see. Okay, and here it is. Do it work? It's not working definitely. Let me put inside theme notification controller pro wire controller communication on. Okay. Wow, it's working. I mean you see it's working with OTG. Wow, I mean wow. Wow, it's working. It's working. So it's very light. Why I bought the wire? Because sometimes my battery is finished. So I love the easiness of a wire controller. I mean I just put this one on stand and then play. Let me show you. Maybe something like this, you see. Okay, let me open it. Come on. Okay, I just put in a stand. Maybe something like this. And then play my Nintendo Switch with wire. Can you see? Wow, this is something next level. I mean the controller is quite good. I mean it's very light. Literally it's very light. I can easily recommend it. I mean I'm very happy with the triggers are quite good. It's very light. I am very happy. I can easily recommend it. So it was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.